Can I go ahead, Mr. President?
Please do.
Unless the Senate otherwise directs, the business of each sitting day shall be transacted in the following order. 1. Formal entry of the President. 2. Prayers. 3. Approval of votes and proceedings. 4. Oaths and affirmation of allegiance. 5. Message from Mr. President. 6. Other announcement by the President. 7. Petitions. 8. Matters of public importance. 9. Personal explanation. And 10. Order of the day. Mr. President, the next order is Order 1B. In all cases not provided for in this standing order or by sessional or other orders or parties of the Senate shall by resolution regulate its procedure. The reason why I brought this is that Mr. President, we had brought in and sent to you, Mr. President, which is sitting right in front of you, notice which ought to have been read in order 6. But we had passed order 6 to go to order 8. In order to cure that, that is why I brought up the order 1B, so that we can follow our procedures and those announcements be read.
Point of order of health.
Thank you.
Distinguished colleagues, the Senator Baribe, our landlord, is right. He has just brought in these letters, and I understand from the Deputy Senate President that the letters came after the prescribed order in respect of section of Order 38 of our rules. But he has also wisely referred to Rule 1B, which allows us to regulate our rules and regulate our procedures. Those in support that we go backwards and read these letters on his behalf and on behalf of others say aye. And those again say nay. The ayes have it. So in line with our rules, the first letter is a letter of addressed to the President of the Senate and dated yesterday, but submitted just a few minutes ago. And this one is from Senator Aminu Waziri Tamboa. Letter of defection from the People's Democratic Party. Oh, PDP is gone. Letter of defection from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the West African Democratic Congress. African Democratic Congress.
SP, check very well. I think it's APC. It's not ADC. AP. Check very well.
I've checked. My eyes are still good. I think this is to the African Democratic Congress. It's almost it's almost a sister to APC. Effective from today, the persistent internal crisis, you now recognize it. The persistent internal crisis, leadership disagreements, litigations and divisions within the party at various levels have made it increasingly difficult for me to continue my active participation and commitment as a member of the People's Democratic Party. The ongoing conflicts have unfortunately weakened the unity and direction that once defined the party. Please accept this letter as a formal notice of my defection from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the African Democratic Congress, ADC. Thank you, yours faithfully, Senator Aminu Waziri Tambuwa, CFR. Minority Leader, so you can lead him to his seat where ADC members are sitting. Okay. This one is from distinguished Senator Eyinaya Hakot Abaribe. I have to. He may change his mind, but let me see where he's going. My dear Senate President, defection. I'm just reading the letter as it is. I wish to inform you of my decision to leave the All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA. APGA? I wish to inform you of my decision to leave the All Progressive Grand Alliance and join the African Democratic Congress. This is in line with our collective resolve to rescue and deepen the democratic system in our dear country, Nigeria. Very truly yours, Senator Eyinaya Abaribe. I didn't add anything. I didn't subtract. Not all those moving. Minority Leader. No, there are many of them. Notification of change of political party affiliation. This one is dated 10th of March, but submitted on the 12th of March by 5 minutes to 12. I write to notify Your Excellency and my distinguished colleagues of my resignation as a member of the People's Democratic Party, basically due to the fractured state of the party at the national level, and my subsequent formal registration as a member of the African Democratic Congress from today. The decision to align with the African Democratic Congress was informed by my resolve to join hands with other patriotic Nigerians to assure the nation and the international community that Nigeria is still a multi-party democracy. I agree with this. And that the country has not been and cannot be turned into a one-party system. I accept my Senate President the assurances of my highest regards. This is signed by distinguished Senator Binus Dauda Yaro. So this is based on patriotic feeling to ensure that we don't have one party system. So I think this is good. This is very good. So what of Senator Dixon? He has just founded his own political party 3 days ago. I have not seen his letter. I think the party is called NDV or something. Senator, is that so? Okay, he's the national leader of that party. So note, this one is from Senator Victor Ome, OFR, governorship maker. His Excellency Distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, GCON, President of the Senate. Your Excellency, notification of defection. I wish to formally notify you and the entire Senate through this medium of my resignation from the Labour Party, LP. Kai, even Labour Party is dead. And my defection to the West African Democrat, to the African Democratic Congress is not very clear. I've taken this necessary decision after wide consultations with my family, constituents and supporters in view of the lingering divisions in the leadership and on ending litigations pervading the entirety of Labour Party in Nigeria. I remain committed to continue making my contributions towards the development of our nation where no one is oppressed. Please accept the assurances of my highest regards. Thank you, yours faithfully, Senator Dr. Victor C. Ume, FNIVS, FNIP, KSS, OFR, Anambra Senatorial District. Clerk, please note. This one is from distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, GCN, President of the Senate, my dear great-in-law and President of the Senate. Thank you for recognizing me. Notification of defection. I write to formally notify you of my resignation from the Labour Party and my intention to defect to the African Democratic Congress on the floor of the Senate. I think you have to do it formally since you only have intention. You have not yet defected. The decision has become necessary due to the persistent internal divisions and the ongoing multiple litigations within the Labour Party, which have significantly affected the cohesion and stability of the party. Please accept, Your Excellency, the assurances of my highest esteem and regards. Yours faithfully, Senator Dr. Tony Woye. Now, Leader of the Senate, DSP, you notice I've read about 3 different political parties now. So you cannot accuse the ruling party of tampering with their leadership. Because here you have ABGA, you have Labour, you have NVP, and all those things. So all of them have a problem. They've not been able to put their parties together. So APC cannot be blamed for this. But they are all out to ensure that we have what do you call it? Minority status in this chamber. And I'm very proud of them. This one is from Kaduna Central Senatorial District. I write to notice of resignation from the People's Democratic Party. Yes, please. I write to formally notify you of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, the political party under whose platform I was elected as senator into the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This decision follows extensive consultations with my constituents, political associates, supporters, and other key stakeholders across my constituency and beyond. After careful reflection, it has become evident that the prolonged and irreconcilable divisions within the national leadership structure of the party have created deep-seated factional conflicts that have significantly undermined party cohesion, stability, and functionality. These divisions manifested through persistent leadership disputes, parallel tendencies within the party structures, and the absence of a unified direction at a national level. All have made it increasingly difficult for me to continue to effectively function within the party